This video is an installation video for YITAMotor's tonneau cover. This vehicle is a 2022 Ram 3500. I'm going to start out by applying foam tape to the rear bed rail. That's going to be toward the front of the vehicle. This tape can be used depending on the application in either the rear bed rail as pictured or along the opening of the tailgate. After the foam tape is installed, we're going to move on to positioning the tonneau cover onto the vehicle. And we're going to lift up and try to center it between the bed rails, and we can do some minor adjustments after the tonneau cover is on top of the bed rails. Once the cover is in its rough position, we can make minor adjustments to center the cover between the bed sides. There should be an equal amount of space protruding from each side. Then we can remove the protective plastic that is covering the gloss black portions. And then we can test the tailgate functionality, meaning we want to make sure that the tailgate opens and closes with ease and does not have any binding or any friction between the tailgate and the cover. This is a demonstration of how the clamps can be adjusted to tighten or loosen when clamping to the bed sides. And then here is an integrated light that comes in the cover itself. So we're going to start at toward the front of the vehicle, which is going to be the rear of the bed. We're going to adjust and secure the rear clamps so that the rear of the cover is fastened to the truck. That is going to give us our anchoring point, and then we can use the safety straps and clamp those to the bed sides. There's going to be a rail that runs horizontal, and that is going to be an extra step for safety, making sure that the cover does not fly away. Now we can unfold the cover and adjust the front clamps. Once those are properly adjusted, we can secure those, and this will be the secured position of the cover. There will be a total of 4 clamps, 2 in the rear and 2 in the front. Here is the driver's side front, which is going to be toward the rear of the vehicle. There will also be 2 of the safety straps, 1 on the driver's side and 1 on the passenger side. Here is another angle of adjusting and fastening the passenger side front of the tonneau cover, and this is going to be toward the rear of the vehicle by the taillight. There's another angle to show the process for adjusting and securing the clamps. Once everything is adjusted, we're going to test fitment and functionality by unfolding the tonneau cover once again and testing the clamps at the rear of the vehicle. Make sure they are adjusted properly. Once we can confirm proper adjustment, fitment and functionality, then this installation is done. Again, this is the 2022 Ram 3500 with a 6'4" bed, For more information, please follow the links to YITAMotor. Thank you.